Hi, this is Keshav. I work as a Python trainer in PySpiders, and one of our students he got placed recently. He will share some experience.
Hi, my name is Rajdeep Bhattacharjee. I joined PySpiders last year in November 2024. I graduated in 2024 with BSC in physics, and after did my graduation from PSC under Assam University. And after joining PySpiders, Keshav sir was my Python trainer, and I learned Python before, but I had many fundamental concept issues. But Python Keshav sir really helped me understanding those issues, and also DSA, and that really helped me in understanding Python and solving those DSA problems. And Murli sir, he taught our SQL. He taught it in a pretty amazing way. And Darshan sir, he taught our vector. It was also very good. And Alex sir, he taught our Django. So he helped really. His way of teaching was project oriented. So he really helped in understanding Django and the backend services. And our own experiences with PySpiders has been very good. The trainers are really good. Keshav sir has really helped me a lot. And about the mock interviews really helped me a lot. So the guidance from them, it also helped me a lot.
Oh, congrats and all the best.
Thank you for your help.